All right, guys, we're getting into the video. This is going to be Ruby's first wash after my graphene ceramic coating. Sorry, guys, it's 3 months later. Haven't even washed it since. Unfortunately, I just got busy with work and busy with other things in order to do this. But I'm going to go through, walk you through the steps, and this is going to be about a 15-20 minute long video. I have sped it up because otherwise it would have been an hour and a half long video. So, guys, let's get into this right now. All right, guys, so we're going to go into this. This is the before shots of what the truck looked like before I washed it. You can see the wheels are a bit disgusting. Those fender wells are absolutely just disgusting. There is dirt, grime, and some schmutz all over this truck. This is going to be the passenger side here, and we're just going to go down the vehicle as we go. Unfortunately, it's not the greatest looking, and sorry about the reflection of me. Didn't want to wear shoes at the time, just felt like it. Roof was a bit dirty. I didn't have really, we've had some rain around here, but there's been a lot of like fire, smoke and dust and all that in the air from the Canadian wildfires. So, yeah, let's just get into this, guys, and I'll show you the whole thing. Well, it's just disgusting. The exhaust is disgusting. Truck is disgusting. Yeah, there's that. So, yeah, let's go, guys. Alright guys, she's all finished up. Tire shines on, nice and shiny. Paint's nice and clean. Running boards are clean. Windows are clean. As I said, tires are nice and shiny. Everything's clean. Tonneau cover's all dressed and ceramic coated again. Everything's good. I may have forgot a part, guys. Tailpipe. We'll get that in a minute. Everything else looks absolutely superb. So guys, what do you guys think? You're going to have a full video of the entire thing, me washing and treating everything. So guys, let's get into this and let's show you the this is the final result of everything. It looks beautiful. It's shiny. It's deep dark red again. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you liked about this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Do what you want to do. But come back next time, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.